what?
I want to hit it.
You want to hit it?
I'm crazy.
Yeah, you are crazy. Ready?
Yeah.
Crazy. Pick it up?
Yeah.
Put it where?
Put it over there.
Okay. Are you going to knock it down again?
Yep.
Because you're crazy?
Because I'm crazy, dude.
I think you get crazy from your mommy.
I play from your